Hi, hello everyone. Okay, we are talking about software called TreeShade. You can install totally free from Adobe Exchange. Go to the website exchange.adobe.com and search in Creative Cloud for TreeShade. This is the software name. It's an extension for Adobe InDesign, Adobe Bridge, and Adobe Photoshop. And as I said, it's totally free. Uh, it also works as a local server on your computer, so you can connect to the internet and send online forms like this, so the end user can upload files, uh, can edit text, and also can select options, and you can load on these online forms sub-content in dynamic way. And here in this session we will talk about dynamic snippet and how you can use with the online form. So let's start by empty project. Here, after installing the software and restarting Adobe Bridge plays a crucial player in TreeShade, and TreeShade mainly installed on Bridge, where you have this menu, TreeShade menu. Here at first, template command, reveal actual folder in your computer. This folder installed by default, called new. After installing TreeShade, you will have this menu, and these example files. You can click here, reveal this path to see in your computer, and this is the default location inside the root folder that you want to create. There will be workshop folder where you're supposed to put your project files and edit them, and here initial and new. Here the template folder. Any file you put here, you will be revealed in this submenu. You can add more files. You can add more folders by selecting this command, add a new path. You can remove this path, but be careful. If you remove the only path here, you need to reinstall again to show the command. You need to I'm not sure if you can remove this submenu or not, because it's loaded depending on register that TreeShade depend on first starting. Anyway, So inside workshop, let's create empty folder, a new folder. Let's name Monday, MON, open, and in this empty folder, let's create select from submenu new online. So we have online form and click OK. This folder, don't delete and don't edit. It's for TreeShade database. It's supposed to be hidden on Mac OS, but here in Windows, just ignore it. Okay, double click on this text file, and TreeShade will ask you to open the online form. Now we have online form that you can send to anyone to fill the content. Here we have empty folder, so the online form is empty. Now if you add any text file here, so let's use the submenu new that installed with the software, and let's add some files here, photo and text and icon and let's reload. Now the files loaded where the text files become text area that you can edit directly, and the other files become upload field, so the end user can upload new files. Like here, instead of pass, we can load this icon, email, and this photo. We can upload a new photo, and here a new text. Now if the end user, not in your computer, because I'm showing here the form on the same computer, just to know how it works. But actually you wouldn't use the same online form on your computer. You will send the URL here, copy and send, so the others, like your collaborators, team, marketing team, your customer, anyone can fill the content. Now if we click update, the files will be uploaded to your computer and the text file will be updated. Remotely. So you can connect this content to your document to be updated. So let's create InDesign document here. a new creative cloud in design, or just create in design document and put here in the folder. Let's name layout. Okay. For the link, you can just place the file, but for the text file, you need to place as or we can do this. Okay. For the text file, you need to place as live snippet, so it updated remotely. Let's change the page size. Let's make 10 centi by 10 centi. Okay, for the logo, just place as normal link. And for the text file, right click on the text file and select place in InDesign. Just normal place here, but TreeShade, instead of placing the text directly, it will convert to live snippet. What is live snippet exactly? Live snippet marked by marker at the first, at the end, to identify. At the beginning, you have custom anchored text frame and has style created by TreeShade, object style and paragraph style. Start with the word snippet, snippet start marker, snippet temporary anchored, etc. You will have some swatches like here, and also paragraph style, snippet start marker for the text inside. It's actually non-printing, so it just marks the snippet to you as a graphic designer to know that it's a live snippet, and know also the location of the text file. And at the end here you will have the special character and nested style here. Mark the end, so don't delete this and don't delete this. To avoid the deleting by accident, you can use select submenu here. You can select the content automatically. You can assign a shortcut for these let's go to edit, keyboard shortcut, and from product area select script, and here you will have the command name content, or select content. Let's see, I think select. Where the S, I think content, the word content, because the command, the submenu select, then content. Let's see the letter C, content. This. So it's content. This actually select content. Let's assign shortcut. What we can see, Control or Alt Shift or Control Alt Shift N. No, Control Alt Shift S. Assigned, currently assigned to save all. Control Shift S. Control Shift S. Save as Shift S. Okay, Shift S. Select content, Shift S. Assign. Don't forget to click the button Assign. Cannot modify the default set. Yes, create a new one. Let's rename TreeShade. Okay. Now you can select the content. Just click Shift S. Oh, it didn't work. So it's because the context. Let's try again. So from product area, select script and go to content. After community. And here it didn't work because the context is here text. We will be inside the text. So Shift S. Let's try now. Okay, it's worked. Now anytime you want to select live snippet content, click Shift S. To avoid removing the end marker, the special character and nested style here, or the custom anchor text frame at the beginning. Just click Shift S. And here you can assign shortcuts for other, like here, select to start. If you are here inside the snippet and you want to select the text from the text cursor to the beginning, you can execute select to start border and add modification like this. Okay, Now we have a normal link and we have live snippet. Let's create paragraph style. Okay. Now when you try to save a document, TreeShade will ask you to check in. When you click yes, a new PDF file will be created or updated, and it will be revealed on Adobe Bridge on versions PDF location. If the PDF file revealed, then the process done. Here this output location, inside the root folder you will have this folder, versions PDFs, and on the same relative path for the editing location. To go, don't edit the output, go back here by clicking under workshop, and you will go back to the project folder. You can select the document and click on page to see the page of the document in separated barrel location or mirrored location that have the same file but in separated folder. Here you have versions. You can create more than one version to each file. Here final PDF, version PDF. Now if we refresh the online form, you will have a preview of the document with the content. Now because the content is placed inside the document, now when the end user updates the content, TreeShade will automatically update the document. So let's upload a new logo. New text too. Now the InDesign document will be updated because the text file here, the online text file, changed. The name of the text file changed automatically, and that in TreeShade trigger Adobe InDesign document to be updated. So we have a new content now. Okay. What if we want a dynamic list, not only one photo, list of photos that the end user can add or remove from it or reorder like that? You can do that by adding to the file name ID capital letters, then sequence of digit and capital letters. If they less than 5, it will be a sequence. The new ID will be increment. But if they 5 or more, it will be random. So let's write 5 to make random. And now if we reload, you will see these 3 buttons for the dynamic list. You can now add more photo. You can reorder and remove. And you can add more than image at the same time. Like if we select these, they expand the list automatically. And here let's click update, and see what will happen in your computer through the local server that you have. You will have different IDs at the beginning in the list. Now the InDesign document opened automatically to update, and the photo updated also. I changed the name because in TreeShade, don't worry about renaming the files, because TreeShade automatically fix any link that you change the file name or move from folder to folder. Automatically the links fixed. Okay. What if we want to place the dynamic the list here, the photos, not only one photo, many photos? You can do that by dynamic snippet. So let's remove, add text frame, and let's add dynamic live snippet from live snippets menu. Select new live snippet, and here write at first hashtag slash and any name that you want. Let's say gallery. It's here, the name doesn't matter, have no meaning. Then write double colon, then the dynamic path for the image. I have here a list of photos inside beside the InDesign document, in the same folder. So let's write $s/. This means the same location of the document. Then let's write ID and asterisk wildcard. So all images that start with ID will be placed. And that's it. Now if we click OK, all the image will be placed. But here they are very large. You can select the live snippet by selecting any object inside it. And I know all these photos inside the snippet. So just select any photo, and from live snippet menu, select dynamic style. And here you can add style and also attribute. Let's add width to the photo to reduce. Let's say 20 milli. No need to write milli. The value, then the attribute name. We want width, but to make to reduce the image by saving the ratio, write relative before width. Here it's non insensitive, so you can write capital letters, small letters. Write the word relative before width or after width, no problem. And let's click OK. Now all images have the same width, but different height depending on the photo dimension. And they custom anchored by default to avoid the overset of the text. Let's add object style, but you couldn't add object style here directly because each time the dynamic snippet updated, a new object placed. So you need to assign dynamic style. So from dynamic style, let's add after width. After adding the width, let's add double colon, then a new style, the object style name, let's say photo. If the style is not exist, TreeShade automatically create photo colon and obj, abbreviation of object style. If you want to know what the style that you can use, here the method. Here I used width and also for object style, char for character style, and para for paragraph style. Let's click OK. Now all the photos have object style, photo, and now you can edit the style for anchored object options. Let's check so they become inline, and for frame fitting options, and this is important, frame fitting options in dynamic updating. So after reducing the frame dynamically, the photo must be fit. So check this, auto fit, and here for the photo we want to fill the frame, fill frame proportionally. Okay. That's it. Now we have dynamic photo blast. No, there is overset. Okay. Let's reduce the image width, dynamic style, and let's be 15 the width, and here the word relative to reduce the width and height and keep the same ratio. Okay, that's it. Let's save and check in. Now you have dynamic list of photo where the end user can upload more photo, remove, and the document will be updated the list. So now we have 4 photo. Let's remove and let's add a new photos. And let's click update. Now the end user, because he clicked update on the online form, your local server will receive the content, open the document automatically, update the content, and export PDF. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to ask any question about installing the software. It's totally free. You can install from exchange.adobe.com. It's an extension for InDesign and also local server. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.